Hello and welcome to the Yorkshire Gardeners vlog for today. Well, it's Sunday the 4th of February today, and today it's not raining thankfully as it was yesterday, so hopefully I won't get as muddy as I did yesterday. As you can see, I've got a mud on my hat from yesterday, but what would it be if you weren't covered in mud? You've got to look the part when you're gardening, so it will be going in the wash Monday probably, because I won't be coming down in the week as I'm on night shift this week. But yeah, let me show you around what I'm going to be doing today, hopefully. As you can see, my bird feeders are going down pretty well. This one seems to be the favourite so far. I'm hoping to get some bigger birds down here soon, blackbirds and thrushes, but I'll show you how I'm going to do that. So far I've seen robins, blue tits, goldfinches and wagtails. So yeah, I'll show you how I'm going to get blackbirds down here. So I'm going to get one of these plant pot holders. Everyone seems to have them lying around. I'm going to drill some holes in the bottom, just small holes around it, so that it can get the rain out of it. I obviously don't want to flood it. And then I'm going to drill 2 holes either side, and then get some of this wire and thread it through, and then I'll hang it up on my tree, and then I'm going to use raisins and sultanas. My dad does this at home. He's got raisins and sultanas, and the amount of blackbirds and thrushes we get down on our garden is brilliant. They're all queuing up to take it in turns to have some. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. It'll be cheaper than buying a bird feeder, and obviously it's free. Obviously I've got the wire, but it's what I've already got in. So yeah, I'm going to try that and I'll share with you once I've managed to do it. Time to have a quick look at how my potatoes are doing, seeing if they're starting to chit. As you can see, they're just starting to break through. Shows it's warming up a bit. Hopefully they'll start growing fast soon. Ready for planting maybe March, April time. We'll see how they get on. The last 2 days we're concentrating on this main path here, on the middle of the pot, and these 2 paths in between this bed. But today I'm going to be concentrating on these paths, these 3 paths there, in between these beds. That's my plan for today. We'll see how I get on. I've got 2 hours to try and get it done in, but we'll see if we get it done. Just pulled my black membrane up and found this hole. Certainly some hole, that. Don't know what it is, what's dug that. But it'll be going now as I dig it over. Ready to put my black membrane back down. A nice little worm for the robins. Wow, that's the day done on the allotment. I said I was going to do 3 paths today in the 2 hours that I was down here, but I have excelled myself and I have done a lot more. Let me show you what I've done. The 3 paths what were covered with weeds are now all weed free and ready for fastening down. I do use these green pegs to fasten it down with, but quite a few have snapped as I've been pulling the black membrane up, so I'm going to invest in some of those metal ones and they'll last me for years. They shouldn't ever need replacing. I think they're £10 off the internet. Yes, so that's the 3 beds clear, 3 paths cleared in between the beds. That's all that done. And then I've also done 2 more. So I've got 5 beds done. I didn't think I'd be doing that until the end of the till next week, but yes, I've got them all done. So that's ticked off my list. And my final path that I want to get done before I start concentrating on other jobs is my paved path, which shouldn't be too big a job. Obviously I need to be careful of these strawberry plants what I'm growing. I'm going to cut them off and repot them ready for planting, and I'll show you that in my next vlog, getting all that done. So yeah, I don't know if you're like me, but I like to set myself little tasks of what to do, and then I tick it off once I've done it. I've got plenty of tasks on there for this month. What I've got to get done, what I have to get done before end of February at least. I'll go through all them tasks with you tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow, to share with you what I am going to be doing over February. The winter months aren't always about planting, but it's about maintenance and about setting projects and accomplishing them and getting them all done ready for when you do start planting, because when you do start planting you don't have as much time to concentrate on these other jobs. It's all about looking after the plants, keeping them weed free, which I know I don't always manage to, but yeah, it'll be about concentrating on your plants once they start growing. So yeah, this month is going to be a busy month of tasks, probably into March, because obviously that's when you just start planting your seeds. Well, that's when I start planting them. I don't start planting them any earlier. It's still too cold, and they soon catch up. They'll soon catch up. Yeah, so I recommend planting them in March. I don't know when other people start planting them. I ain't got room inside to grow them, and I've not got a heater in my greenhouse, so I can't grow them down here. But yeah, I'll share with you my tasks, what I'm planning on doing over the next coming month with you tomorrow, so or sometime next week. So please stay tuned and subscribe so that you can keep an eye on what I've got planned. So yeah, I hope you do enjoy watching these. I'm enjoying sharing them. It's something I'm enjoying doing. So yeah, I hope you're benefiting from it. Thank you. Wow, my weed pile is getting pretty tall. I need to get this composting bin built as fast as possible to start composting this year. The plan is to put it at the top of my plot, just up here. But I can't do that until I've taken down all this frame at the top of my plot to build a little door in to get to the top of my plot, so that it's easy access. But that'll probably be in a couple of weeks when I've rebuilt all this segment down this side to reopen it. But that's a job that needs doing, but it's not immediately. Obviously my beds and stuff are first, so that's priority. So yeah, it's going to go right up there, and I'll be using some wooden pallets to build it out of, and also I've got some plastic ones to use as well. I'll try both. I thought of a great idea what I'm going to do down this edge of my plot in front of my rhubarb. What I'm going to do is move all this wood further up to my rhubarb, because the rhubarb leaves will grow over the top of it, and I'm going to widen it, pull back some of this black membrane to the rhubarb, and I'm going to plant flowers all the way down the side to attract some more wildlife. That's my plan, but that's not one of my high priority jobs. But as obviously I've got to plant all my seeds for my flowers first. But yeah, I won't cut any of this black membrane off, because you never know if it comes in useful. I'll just fold it over, and then I'll have flowers growing all the way down the side of my path, which will look nice and brighten it up a bit more. So yeah, that's one of my plans. Thank you for watching today's vlog of the Yorkshire Gardener. I hope it's been beneficial to you, and I hope you're enjoying watching my vlogs. I'm certainly enjoying making them all. If you've not already, can you subscribe to my YouTube channel? There's usually a subscribe button underneath the videos or to the side. I'm not far off getting 150 subscribers, which is phenomenal. I'd like to get to that by the end of next week, which would be brilliant. I know then obviously if you get subscribed you get notifications of when these are posted. You don't obviously see them all when they're on the Facebook group, but yeah, please subscribe to it. And if you're on Instagram, please find me. I'm called the Yorkshire Gardeners. Yorkshire Gardener had already gone, so it's the Yorkshire Gardeners. I'll put a link on which should appear just below me. Also on there I do post photos of other things what I'm doing, so it's not always stuff what's going off in my blog. So please, yeah, find me on Instagram. And last but not least, if you are on Facebook, please find my page, The Yorkshire Gardeners. I've got over 1,000 likes on that page. I'm absolutely overwhelmed by how many I've got. So yeah, find me on Facebook, The Yorkshire Gardener. You'll be able to see it with a picture of my plot on. So yeah, please like the page and feel free to comment on the videos. And also click like. Feel free to share them as well. Thank you.